Our ancestors, we salute you. Give us something we can eat, not something that can eat us. He who wants to destroy us should now confront the elephant jaw. Bang! Divine. What do you want in a one day? What do you
Cannot happen in our front.